somebody has to second it. Only one person is allowed to use the power per episode. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing started. Can everybody see that screen?
Yep.
All right.
Yes, sir.
One click. And we've got, for right now, theme song, memorable moments, character development, voice acting, cultural impact. Sean, I'm going to start with you. Do you want to switch anything?
No.
All right. Dave?
Nope.
All right. Eric?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to switch?
Memorable moments for overall enjoyment.
I'm okay with that.
All right, Sean, you're going to second it?
Yep, because if I was going to use it, that's what I was going to do it for.
All right. So instead of memorable moments, it's overall enjoyment. All right. Dave, how do you feel about all that?
I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't think there's anything to complain about.
All right. All right, so it's going to be theme song, overall enjoyment, character development, voice acting, and cultural impact.